Now let's take a look at how you can edit a recipe. Let's look at the recipe for pears with almond butter and hemp hearts. Maybe you don't like almond butter. Maybe you'd like to replace that with peanut butter. You can easily do this by going to the Copy and Edit button. The meal planner will make a copy of this recipe that you can now edit. Every copy is going to start with the prefix copy of. We strongly recommend that you delete that prefix and enter one of your own, maybe your initials or some other word, so that you can easily identify that this is a recipe that you have edited. We are also going to change the almond butter to peanut butter in the title. And then we're going to scroll down and find almond butter. The first field here is where the common name is. You want to change the common name, so we're going to change this from almond butter to peanut butter. And then we're going to go to the USDA database to pull in nutrition facts for peanut butter. Click on the green bar listed under the common ingredient, and it will expand the USDA database search function, and you'll just type in peanut butter and click search. Then, from the drop-down menu, you can select the most appropriate ingredient. Your nutrition facts for this recipe have now been recalculated. You can then save the recipe, and it will be stored not only in your recipe box, but also it will replace the original recipe in your meal planner. Click on My Planner, go back to your planner, and you can see that the recipe is here. You can then close the recipe and continue with editing your meal planner.